Hello children, in the last video we studied about the congruent figures and the similar figures. Now based on that congruent and similar figures we have an exercise in your textbook, that is exercise 2.1. That one we'll see now. I have already given the questions here. Just I will read those questions and I'll explain you what is the answer here. Fill in the blanks using the correct words given in the brackets. In that first one is all the circles are dash. Here they are given two options, congruent and similar. See, all the circles, they may have the same size, not necessarily the same shape. So all the circles are similar is a correct answer here. All the circles are similar is a correct answer for the first fill in the blanks. Second one, all squares are dash. All the squares are also in the same shape, not necessarily the same size. So this option is also similar only. Third one, all dash triangles are similar. They have given options here, isosceles and equilateral. Isosceles means a triangle is having, in a triangle two sides are equal. Equilateral means all the three sides are equal. So if the triangles are similar should come means equilateral is the correct answer here, because similar triangle they may have different shapes also, but equilateral triangles will be in the same shape. So option is equilateral for the third one. Fourth one, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if first one their corresponding angles are equal. You already know the definition of similar. If the corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional, then only we can say two triangles, two rectangles or two pentagons are similar. So in that corresponding angles must be equal and the corresponding sides must be proportional. So this is a fourth fill in the blanks. Fourth answer is, first one answer is equal, second answer is proportional. If you have the textbook, just you can refer that, otherwise copy this only. In that exercise, first question is having 4 fill in the blanks. Second one is, give two different examples of pair of similar figures. Similar figures, you already know that similar figures means two figures are having the same shape but not necessarily the same size. They told to give two examples for them. So two circles I considered here. They are in the same shape, not necessarily in the same size. They are not in the same size. And two triangles I consider. For similar figures, example 1, example 2. And non-similar figure means they should not be in the same shape also. So I considered here one circle, one triangle. Second example is one triangle and one rectangle. This is the answer for the second question. Next, third question in that exercise only. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Here two quadrilaterals they have given. First one, you observe this figure. This is all the sides are equal here, but here opposite sides are parallel, so it is rhombus. This is square. They are not in the same shape. So they told to state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. These two are not similar figures because they are not in the same shape. So answer is no, because quadrilaterals are not in the same shape. Okay, in the last video only I already explained you about the similar triangles and I told the definition also, but in that definition I did not write and show you. I shown in the textbook. Now just you copy this similarity of a triangle definition. Two triangles are similar if first condition is what? Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here I consider two triangles, ABC and BEF. First condition is what? Their corresponding angles are equal. Here I am saying angle E is equal to D, angle B is equal to E, angle C equal to F. This is the first condition. Second condition, what they are saying, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. What is the meaning of this? You should understand here. Their corresponding angles are equal means angles will be equal here. I will explain these two conditions by showing the example and by drawing the diagram. Here I will consider two triangles. You should understand this statement clearly. Their corresponding angles are equal. Two triangles I will consider here. A, B, C. And one more triangle I will consider. D, E, F. Here angle A is equal to angle D. This one I will take as a 60 degree only. Here I will take this as a 60 degree. This also, this I will take 70. This also I will take 70. See, this is 60, this is 70, means remaining will be 50, right? This is also 50. Now you see, angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 60 degree. Angle B is equal to angle E is equal to 70 degree. And angle C is equal to angle F is equal to 50 degree. See, all the three sides of one triangle are equal to all the sides of the, all the three angles of one triangle equal to all the three angles of the other triangle. How this second condition, what they are saying, second condition, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion or same ratio. How they are in the same proportion we will consider here. For example, this is 1 centimeter I will take. For example, it is not exact measurement. This is 2 centimeter I will take. This is 2 I will take. This is 4. This is 3 I will take. This is 6. Now ratio is, they are saying their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Means this AB is corresponding to DE here. So AB by DE. AB by DE. I already written here. AB by DE. You just see, AB is 1 centimeter is there. And DE I have taken 2. See, 1 by 2 we got. Like that only. We know that BE is corresponding to EF. BE is corresponding to EF. Remember that corresponding sides are proportion. So 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means you can cancel this. So it will also come 1 by 2 only. Then one more corresponding side, AC by DF. AC is 3 centimeter and DF is 6 centimeter. This also will get cancelled and it will also become 1 by 2. See, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Why they are equal? Because ratio is same here. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So only second condition is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or same proportion. This is the meaning of the similarity of triangle. Should understand this statement correctly. Okay, in the next video we will study about the Thales theorem. Thank you.